Hello my friends, I'm here with the Empties video. So I've been saving up a little stuff for a while to show you what I got. Some of these items you may have seen in my hauls, but I just finished some of them. So I'm going to get right into it and I'm going to start. So I used up the expressive scent Tealight candles Unscented, and it was 50 in a pack, and it was $2.99. It's from a store in my area, Value Zone. Yeah, Value Zone. But you see these candles everywhere. So if you see this brand, just pick it up. It lasts long, and it's really, really good. I used up these Essentials tall kitchen bags, garbage bags, drawstring closure, and it had 10 bags in it, 13 gallons, and this was 99 cents. I got the Mountain Falls Baby Healing Ointment. I use that to put on my arms and my hands and stuff because of my dry skin. And this is almost like, it says compared to Aquaphor. So whenever I see this, I pick it up because it works pretty well and it doesn't have a price on it, but I think it was no more than $3 or something like that. Okay, and there's 14 ounces. I have the Bolero Men's Body Wash Charcoal and Bamboo. So I got this a while back at Dollar Tree. Y'all, this stuff here is really, really concentrated like they say. And it smells good. So this was a good buy from Dollar Tree. It lasted me a long time. And you got 13.5 fluid ounces. If you see it, pick it up. I got the Beauty 360 Moisturizing Shea Butter and Almond Oil Body Wash. Got that from CVS. It was good. It was okay. It was okay. And this is 18 ounces. And I think I had a coupon with this. I forgot what the price was. I just showed this recently, and it's the Safeguard Liquid Hand Soap Refill. Washes away bacteria. This is great, y'all. It's really, really good. I have some more toilet tissue here. Home Pals Soft and Absorbent, and it was 4 rows, 2-ply sheets, $1.29. It was okay, y'all. Just using up my stash of my toilet tissue. I have another one that I've gotten from Dollar Tree, and it's a strong and soft, the 4 rows, is septic safe, 2-ply. This lasted me okay. It was okay. It was pretty good. This here, it looks like what we used to call back in the day no frills, or no. Some people used to call it no thrills, but it's called no frills, which meant cheap. There's 4 rows in this. I believe I got this from Walmart, I think. Let me see. What is the same one in the bag here? I messed up the part that had the name on it, so. If you see something that's just saying bathroom tissue, 4 rows, You know it's a cheap brand, you know, and it's just something to toss in to add to my toilet tissue stash. I have the Oil of Life Sensitive Skin Body Wash from Dollar Tree. I love this stuff here. Whenever I see it, I get it. I brought this months ago, and y'all, you should see my stash of my body wash, hand soap, and stuff like that, and regular soap. I got a whole lot of it, y'all. A whole lot of it. So much where I won't have to buy any for a while. I got the Home Bright Disinfectant Spray, kills 99.9 of germs. Country Scent kills the flu, virus, and eliminates odors. Now, I got this from Dollar Tree a while back, and it has that disinfectant smell, but I like that smell because, you know, sometimes you don't want your bathroom smelling like roses and stuff when you're spraying. I like the smell, and this is a good product. Again, that was from Dollar Tree. I got the Stronger Than Dirt Ajax multi-purpose cleaner, lined with baking soda. This stuff is so good. I got some more stuff I brought that I got to use up, but if I see this again, I'm going to pick it up because it works well. You know, for mopping your floors, cleaning your bathroom, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I know about this product. It's scratch-free. Why pay more? 33% more than 21 ounces. Stronger Than Dirt Ajax with bleach. This is the old stuff, and you know it works well, and I buy it all the time. So, I think I only paid $1 for this. It's 28 ounces. I'm getting down to the last few items. This is called Balea body wash, and I got this from a dollar store in my area, and I don't remember if this was $1.99 or $2.99. It was something like that. It was really cheap, but this stuff smells just like Dove. The Dove body wash smells just like it, and it works just as well. So I have to go far to get this. But you best believe when my stash starts going down a little bit, I will be picking up more of these. Okay. This was it says 710 millimeters or something like that. That's a good product. Y'all saw me just recently review this. It's the Dettol Original Liquid Hand Wash. I have a tiny bit like that left. It works well for germs, but it was a little too dry into my hands. So like I always say, if you don't have those kind of problems, get this, because this is a well-known germ killer right here. And this was like $2, something like that. Maybe even $1 something from my local dollar store. Okay. And I got the Aroma Fragrance Oil, and I get these for my wax burners, and it's Chanel number 5. And this was $2.99. Got this for $2.99. I'm trying to think, did I get this from Walmart? Maybe Family Dollar, something like that. And it smells so good, y'all. It smells just like Chanel number 5. So my last product that I have here has really become one of my favorite, Tide laundry detergents. And you know I buy all kinds, but this one I really, really love. And this one is the Tide Ultra OxI. I love this stuff, y'all. I love it, I love it, I love it. It smells great. I don't even think you need softener with this. It smells good, removes them stains. Your clothes will be nice and bright. These work well for all your clothes. I really like it on using it like for my jeans and stuff like that. But this is great, y'all. So I'm out of this. I'm trying to think, do I have another one? Because if I don't, I'm going to get another big one. And it's, you know, I think it was like $20-something, but I really like this here. I'm just going to spend the money to get this after I use up my stuff. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I love you all. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, think about subscribing. Like this video if you like it. Share it. Okay? So I will be back again soon to see y'all again with another video. Okay? Bye. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.